Sometimes instead of making more money, you just gotta save money. So I went to go get my oil changed. It was gonna cost me 20 bucks because I get it at the dealership, so I'm saving money. And they were like, you need a cabin air filter replacement, and it's gonna be $55. You also need an engine air filter replacement, $38. And your rear wiper blade needs replaced, $23. Altogether, that was $116. You know what I did? I just bought all the pieces on Amazon for $28. And I did it myself. Like, this one was the hardest one to do. It was just a little bit of a pain, but I just looked it up on YouTube, and you can use the Amazon Garage, and you put in your make and model of your car, and it tells you which filters goes with your car. It's so easy, and it saves so much money.